Good morning, students. This is English reader for class 3, lesson 2, The Funny Shirt. Summary. Abdul the tailor and his son Amin had a shop. It was at the top of the mountain. Whenever he opened the doors or windows, the clouds floated into the shop. Abdul was not able to see anything inside the shop when this happened. So, dear children, Abdul is the tailor and he had a shop on the top of the mountain, and whenever he opened the doors or windows of the shop, the clouds, every time that clouds were floating into the shop and they are coming, and because of that Abdul was not able to see anything properly and he was not able to do the work timely and properly. One morning he opened the windows and some clouds floated and soon the shop was filled with clouds. Abdul sat and stitched. He could not see a thing, but he stitched and stitched. So he completed his stitching with 3 shirts. So one morning he opened the window of the shop and similarly that cloud, they entered the shop and they all filled the shop, and because of that nothing can be seen, and in that only he stitched and stitched the cloth, and by the end of the day he stitched 3 shirts. So as you can see in the picture, Amin the son and Abdul the tailor. Next, first image doctor, second image vegetable seller, third image lamp seller. But all the 3 had something wrong with them. One shirt had 4 sleeves, the other shirt had only 1 long sleeve, the last one had no sleeves, just the neck. His son entered and saw the shirts. He asked his father, "No one is going to buy these funny shirts." He thought that his father can't see properly and needs a doctor. So as soon as the son Amin entered the shop, he saw that these are useless shirts. No one will buy these shirts because one has no sleeves, only the neck. The other shirt had 2 sleeves, 4 sleeves like this. So they went to the doctor. They went to doctor and asked him for the spectacles. Doctor jumped from his chair and asked to give that shirt to him. Doctor paid for that 1 long sleeve funny shirt and advised them to eat more carrots. The doctor went home and put the funny shirt on his giraffe. Abdul and his son went to buy carrots, and Amin is saying to vegetable seller that my father cannot see properly and so he stitched 3 funny shirts. So doctor is asking them that buy the carrots and eat them because they have vitamin, and he asked them that this funny shirt, the long neck, the long sleeve, please give it to me, I will buy this. And later on they moved on to the vegetable seller, and there Amin is saying that my father cannot see properly and because of that he stitched wrong shirt. All the 3 shirts have different sleeves. The vegetable seller was happy and paid them for 4 sleeved shirts, and he put the 4 sleeved shirt on the dog. Now both father and son had some money, so they bought of buying a lamp. They went to a lamp seller. Amin asked the shopkeeper to show some lamp because his father cannot see when clouds enter their shop and therefore he has made no sleeves, only a neck. The lamp seller looked at the shirt and thought for some time, and later paid him for the funny shirt. That shirt was used for the set of tablas because dust falls on them. They moved on by taking their lamp, and now Abdul stitches many shirts he puts on the big lamp whenever he wants to see what he is stitching. So after meeting the doctor, they went to the vegetable seller for buying the carrots, and there that vegetable seller saw the 4-sleeve shirt. So he thought that it can be useful for his dog. So he just paid them for that 4-sleeve shirt and took that shirt and used for the dog. And after that they went to the lamp seller. There he asked for a lamp because his father cannot see properly. When lamp seller saw that last shirt, so he asked him to give because the set of tablas, because of them dust falls on them, and therefore that shirt will be covered by that tablas. And at last they bought the lamp, and now Abdul can stitch more shirts, and whenever he wants to switch on the lamp and sit there and sew the shirt. Word meaning: not clean, dirty. To come or go into something, enter. Came slowly, floated. Making one laugh, funny. Good looking, handsome. Moved your head up and down to show agreement, nodded. Something that is known about by only a few people and not told to others, secret. Glasses, spectacles. Few stitches. Answer the question. What happened one morning when Abdul sat down to stitch? Answer: the clouds entered the shop. Why was the doctor happy with the shirt? He was happy because the shirt was best for his giraffe. Why do you think the doctor said this? Give him lots of carrots to eat. The vitamins in carrots are good for eyes. How did the lamp seller use the funny shirt? He used it for his tablas. Why were the shirts called funny? Because all of them were having different funny sleeves. Describe the 3 shirts. One shirt had 4 sleeves, the other shirt had 1 long sleeve, the last shirt had no sleeves, just the neck. Opposite: high, below, inside, outside, morning, evening, wrong, right, long, short, dirty, clean. Fill in the blanks. Abdul the dash and his son Amin had a dash. Tailor, shop. Whenever they opened the doors or windows, the dash floated into the shop. Clouds. My father needs dash, spectacles. The doctor put the funny shirt on his dash, giraffe. Abdul and Amin went to buy dash, carrots. My hands get dash when I play the dash, dirty tablas. Do all the exercises in your notebook, learn it, Thank you.